In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat using the built-in page organization features. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're using Adobe Acrobat Pro or the standard edition, as the general steps are quite similar across different versions and platforms. So let's dive right in and simplify the process of extracting pages for your next project. First off, open the PDF document you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat. Once the file is open, you'll need to access the page organization tools. In many versions of Adobe Acrobat, this can be done by navigating to the Tools menu and selecting Organize Pages. If your version of Acrobat is slightly different, don't worry. You might also find these tools in the right-hand pane or by clicking on a dedicated Organize Pages icon. These are designed to make access quick and simple, no matter what version you're using. Now, it's time to select the pages you wish to extract. Look for the thumbnails of each page, which give you a clear visual guide to your document layout. Click on a page thumbnail to select a single page. If you need to select a range of pages, perhaps several chapters or sections of your document, hold down the Shift key and click the first and last pages in your desired range. For those needing non-consecutive pages, a common scenario when you only want certain excerpts, simply hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking each page thumbnail you wish to include. Once you've selected the pages you want, it's time to hit the Extract option. You'll find this function within the Organize Pages toolbar. It will usually be quite prominent and straightforward to access. After clicking Extract, you'll come across some options, one of which is whether to delete the extracted pages from the original document. This choice is completely optional and depends on whether you wish to maintain the integrity of the original PDF or streamline its content further. Depending on your version of Acrobat, you might also see options for extracting the pages as a single new PDF or as multiple PDFs. Choose the setup that suits your needs best. If you're uncertain, consider what will make your later workflow easier, such as sharing documents or segmenting chapters. Finally, it's time to save your work. Choose where you'd like to save your new PDF or PDFs. If you opted to remove the extracted pages from your original document, remember to save those changes as well to preserve your updated document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you streamline your PDF tasks in the future.